By now you may be wondering, well, why so many shutoffs in the back? The whole goal was control and serviceability, to make it easier to the service tech to be able to do their work by isolating each area individually.
And there are cases when you need to shut down only one area of the house. But if you don't have all these valves, then you gotta shut the whole house down. And that just causes extra time, extra labor, and a longer downtime period in your home. By adding more isolation valves in your plumbing system, you're able to separate your home's water side and be able to work only on that fixture at one time, greatly reducing service time for future service.